Welcome to Health and Beauty channel where we share tips and tricks to help you live a healthier and happier life. In the modern world, we often tend to overlook the importance of food combinations and end up consuming harmful combinations that can lead to various health issues. One of the pioneers in promoting the knowledge of Ayurveda and traditional Indian practices was Rajiv Dikshit. In this video, we will explore some of the deadly food combinations that Dikshit warned against. The concept of incompatible food combinations has been mentioned in Ayurvedic texts for centuries. This means that certain foods, when combined, can produce toxins in the body and disrupt its natural balance. But what are these deadly combinations? Let's find out. First on the list is onion and milk. According to Vagbhata, an influential Ayurvedic scholar, consuming these two together can be detrimental to one's health. The combination can lead to skin issues such as psoriasis, eczema, itching, and other related problems. Therefore, it is advisable to never consume milk and onion together. Similarly, jackfruit and dairy products are a strict no-no. Jackfruit is a sour fruit that is acidic in nature and can cause harm when combined with dairy products. This applies to any citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, grapes, etc. The citric acid present in these fruits can interfere with the digestion of milk and lead to various health issues. But that doesn't mean all sour fruits are harmful when consumed with dairy. The exception here is the Indian gooseberry or ramla. This fruit is a rich source of calcium and can be consumed with milk without any adverse effects. Moving on to a more common food combination, yogurt or curd and urad dal, also called black gram. This combination is considered the most dangerous by Ayurvedic experts. The consumption of this deadly duo can lead to an increase in blood pressure and even heart attacks in the long run. So, even if you are a fan of dahi vada or curd rice, it's best to avoid this combo. Another popular dish, dal bati, can also have adverse effects if not consumed thoughtfully. The traditional recipe for bati includes urd dal, which can be harmful when combined with yogurt. So, next time you indulge in this delicious dish, make sure to skip the curd. Apart from these, there are some other food combinations that should be avoided for a healthy body and mind. These include ghee and honey, melon and dairy products, fish and milk, and many more. It is essential to educate ourselves about these incompatible food combinations to avoid any health issues in the long run. But why do these combinations prove to be harmful? According to Rajiv Dikshit, the reason lies in the different temperatures and qualities of the foods. For instance, onions are hot in nature while milk is cool. Combining two opposite qualities can cause an imbalance in the body, leading to various health issues. In addition to being aware of food combinations, it is also essential to understand the concept of Agni or digestive fire in Ayurveda. Our digestive system is like a fire that helps break down food and absorb its nutrients. Consuming incompatible foods can disrupt this digestive fire and result in poor digestion, bloating, gas, etc. So, what can we do to avoid these harmful food combinations? The answer lies in being mindful of what we eat and understanding our body's needs. One can also consult an Ayurvedic practitioner for a personalized diet plan based on their individual constitution. In conclusion, the ancient Indian practice of Ayurveda provides us with valuable insights into maintaining our health and well-being. As the saying, we are what we eat, and it is in our best interest to be mindful of our food choices. Let's steer clear of these deadly food combinations to lead a healthy and balanced life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health and wellness content from our channel. Thank you for watching.